Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen. This is the dashboard, offering you quick access to various sections of the app. Tap on the menu icon located at the top left-hand side of the screen. That's going to take you through to your profile and settings. Location and room setup, scenes and automation, as well as access to customer service or to find a certified installer. If you are set up for home and office, you can change your location by tapping right here. The notification inbox is located on the top right-hand side of your screen. By clicking on the mail icon, this is going to take you through to your notifications from, say, your motion detection. And when you share devices, those notifications appear here. The scenes list displays all of your scenes with activated shortcuts. See the section on scenes and automation to find out how to activate a shortcut. You can have multiple scenes listed here and can choose them as required. The rooms list shows you all the rooms in your selected location. You can scroll as required. The bulk of the screen is dedicated to the product dashboard. From all devices, you can scroll downwards to view all your products, or scroll to individual rooms to see only the products allocated to that particular space. To add a product, just click on the plus icon located at the bottom right hand of the screen. Select the type of product you are pairing, then simply follow the on-screen instructions. Once you pair a device to the Grid Connect app, you're good to go.